Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log in via SSH on DreamHost. So first of all, you want to go ahead to SFTP users and files, and here you either want to create a user or use a already existing one. So let's click on login info here. Now here is a host username and password, which I have created when I created this account. If you will forget your password, you can just change it here. Now, secure shell access needs to be on, and the shell type bin bash, and the port needs to be 22. After you have all of this information, if you are on MacBook, you want to open up terminal. So what you want to do here is type in SSH and then a username, just like so. You can type it in by your own, so we can do that just like so. Now you need to enter a domain name. So this would be this one. And now once you've done that, you just need to click enter. Now once you've done that, you will need to enter the password here. So let's do that. You will not see the password here yourself. Now you will be able to log in here with your SSH. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.